A delayed KashKick offer usually means the offer provider hasn't reported your completion yet, so the reward cannot appear in your account until tracking finishes. By the end of this video, you'll know why KashKick offers get delayed and the steps that give you the best chance of receiving your reward. The first thing to do is wait if you completed the offer recently. Many offers do not credit instantly because the advertiser has to confirm that all required actions were completed correctly. Closing the app and checking every few minutes won't speed up that process. Next, open your KashKick account and verify that you actually completed every requirement listed in the offer. Some offers require reaching a certain level, making a qualifying purchase, or finishing specific tasks before the completion is sent back to KashKick. Missing even one requirement can prevent the reward from tracking. If the offer required installing another app, make sure you completed it on the same device where you originally clicked through the KashKick offer. Switching devices during the process can interrupt tracking and prevent completion from being recorded. You should also avoid uninstalling the app or clearing its data before the reward has been credited. Doing either can remove information that advertisers use to verify the offer. Check that your internet connection was stable while completing the offer. If the connection dropped during important steps, the completion event may not have reached the advertiser correctly. If the expected waiting period has passed and nothing has appeared, gather your information before contacting support. Take screenshots showing that you completed the required milestones, save any confirmation emails or receipts if a purchase was involved, and note the date and time you finished the offer. Providing complete information makes it easier for the support team to investigate. While waiting for a response, avoid repeating the same offer or creating another account to claim it again. Duplicate attempts can confuse the tracking system and may delay the review even longer. If you're completing new offers in the future, always start them directly from the KashKick offer page. Allow any required tracking permissions, use the same device from beginning to end, and follow every requirement exactly as written. To sum it up, verify that you completed every requirement. Give the advertiser time to report the completion. Keep using the same device, and contact KashKick support with proof if the delay continues. If this video helped you understand why your KashKick offer is delayed, leave a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and check out our other app fix videos.